Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at the first flag of the Chamber of Secrets from the Sacramentum Savior. I'm sorry if I pronouncing it incorrectly, and I'm also sorry if you hear background noises because I'm in my college's hostel as of now. So first of all we have provided in the description is the link to a Try Hack Me challenge. So as you can see, I have opened it up and I have started the instance. All I did is copied the IP address and typed in rust scan. The only reason I do rust scan is because it saves a lot of time, but as you can see, all it provided was these 4 ports, so all of these ports were open. So as you can see, from 139 and 445, this gives us a hint that Samba is active on the machine. Port 21 says that FTP is open. Port 22 says that this should be SSH. So my next step is always try to run an nmap scan tag a tag sc tag sv, but this time I did not do this. I straight away went for these two 445 and 139. So if you are on Mac, you will not have access to SMB client, but there is a workaround. It is called SMB util view 2/ followed by the IP address, and if I were to just enter a blank password, you can say that authentication error. So I cannot view any shares as of now. So the next thing that I did was, there was port 21 open, so there could be a chance that anonymous access is allowed. So FTP followed by the IP address ANONYMOUS, enter. It doesn't matter because you are anonymous. So the first thing that you should try to remember is that you have to type in tag ALPS, because sometimes the file or the folders will be hidden, as you can see over here. If I would just type in ls, you will see that I'll have only access to password.txt file. So let's type in password.txt and I have fetched it. Now let's see into Godric Gryffindor and tag ALPS. As you can see, I have the s4.txt file, so let's get it. Now let's quit it and let's see what do we have. So let's cat out password. As you can see, this is my first thought was that I had to brute force Samba shares using the password that was provided over here, but as you can see, it is just a long base64 encoded text, and of course it's happening inside your head, Harry. Why shouldn't that mean that it's not real? So this doesn't help us at all. So let's scat out sword.txt and let's just this is our flag, by the way. If I were to just enter this, it will say that, first of all, it might show you that the flag is incorrect, but let me tell you that it does give you a hint that if you are facing an issue submitting the flag for this challenge, join the Discord server and DM any of the mods. They will help you submitting it. So I submitted this a couple of times, but it did not accept my flag. So the next thing that I did was I went to Discord, and there was one mod available, and I sent him the flag. He sent me a similar flag. I think that was exactly the same flag, but when I tried to submit it, it got submitted successfully. So if you had any issues pertaining to that, just remember that you had to just go to the mod and try to figure your way out, because the flag was same, but it did allow you to submit it when he gave you the flag. So thank you guys, this is it for the video.